Good day everyone, I'm Edward Rianson and I'll be reporting nature and scope of public policy. Public policy includes laws, rules, regulations, judgments, case studies, government programs, etc. Now, public policies in their nature are basically of three types: restrictive, regulatory, and facilitating policies. Restrictive policies. These policies curtail benefits of certain type of transactions or situations. One example is when the government imposes customs duties. This is done with a view of restricting imports into the country. The government wishes to bolster domestic production and trading and promotes exports. So they will impose customs duties on imports to discourage heavy importing. This is a restrictive policy. Facilitating policies. The government often has many banks, institutions, etc. that facilitate and grow businesses in an economy. These bodies help implement policies to facilitate businesses, hence facilitating policies. So, what is nature and scope of public policy? The authoritative allocation of values for society. The process of deciding who gets what, when, where, and how. What the government chooses to do or not to do about a specific problem. Establishes the boundaries of our freedom and color the contours of our interactions with other people in our political, social, and economic systems. The important role of the public policy is to make the society to lead a better life, to maintain the delivery of the goods and services are significant. It is regarded as the mechanism for developing economic social system, a procedure for determining the future, and so on. So that's all. Thank you.